we will scan this form. And the process has been tedious and prone to fraud and errors. And one of the notable errors is that, one, we have had students fill in data that does not represent the actual accounts from institutions, and most of the checks end up either bouncing or coming back to us for corrections. That is one. We have also had students cunning enough to make double applications, and that means they gain more than other students or more than their entitlement. We have also had challenges of delays in processing these funds because of the manual application, manual transfer of data from forms to the computer. And the process of the transfer has also been really prone to errors.